Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Bean. This is, I guess, part two of replacing this motor. So here's the two motors. Here's the one that I just recently picked up with 176K on it. This is from an automatic transmission. Long story short, this engine blew up. The rod spun the bearing. So right in the middle, right now, I'm pulling out the transmission and putting it onto this one, and I'm gonna try to put everything together and put it all into this Honda Fit here. So if you guys haven't tuned in or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification, and we're going to start getting this transmission out. And yeah, so let's get this video on the go. I'll see you in a bit. So I got the pressure plate, flywheel, so heavy. This is a flywheel and the clutch out. Oh yeah, you guys, to let you know, this is a manual transmission vehicle. Clutch is right here. Everything's good. See, right there. You can still, it's good. And here, I want to show you guys this. I don't know if you can read that. I don't know if you can read that. It's an Exetti clutch. It's a performance clutch. It's a small clutch. So, normally if clutches slip, you see the rivets on them. So, this basically warns out. So that's basically how it slips. I rather have a manual transmission first of all, because this is all you have to replace instead of like a CVT belt and automatic transmission tend to die out. With manual, this is all you have to worry about, and the transmission is all gears. Wish I could open it for you and show it to you, but I need this transmission. Another thing I have a problem with now too is you see that? That is pilot bearing, and the one I have here, you can't even see it. Ugh, I don't wish I had my light. Right there, it doesn't have it. It doesn't have it. So I have to basically make an order for a pilot bearing, or find a way how to remove this, because then again, that is from an automatic and this one is a manual. So, and then this is the main seal, rear main seal. The only reason why they call it rear, because rear wheel drive, because it's all the way in the back. Transmission is in the, your drivetrain is in the back, so transmission is in the middle, in between the transmission, so that's why they call it rear main seal. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the video today. That's a day and a half, and I've been right now transferring as much as I can, much as parts I can to this one. I have to remove this intake manifold and go from there. So I put the water pump pulley in there and did a little bit of cleaning up, but that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's basically it. I can't pull the bearing out, so anyways, I'll find out the next video. I got there's a lot of work here to be done, so this is basically part 2. So part 3 will coming up soon. So till then, I want to freshen up. It's a lot of work to be done, and I still have to rip up the engine, part it out, and show you guys what went wrong. So till then, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification, and we'll go from there. Till then, stay fly, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.